Let's be honest, most of us don't have tax dates, enrollment periods, or contribution deadlines memorized. But missing just one of them can cost you money, delay benefits, or cause last-minute stress. So let me make it easy for you. I've put together a simple reference guide with the most important financial deadlines for the year, including tax filing dates, IRA and HSA contribution cutoffs, Medicare enrollment windows, FAFSA and insurance deadlines, quarterly estimated payments for business owners. It's not exciting, but it is empowering. You can download the full calendar anytime from the resources section of my website at lindagriz.com. That's LINDAGRIZ.com. It's totally free and totally worth having. Don't let an avoidable deadline derail your financial plan. Stay ahead and stay calm.